With the reserves, you have a lot of stuff that puts you way out of your comfort zone, and the strength that you end up getting from that is absolutely fantastic. So you're able to then have that new strength, that new skill set, that new confidence to go and take on, you know, even tougher roles within your work. So when projects come up, you think, do you know what, I've got this.
It's first-class training, and it's an absolutely fantastic thing to receive.
I was fortunate enough to get a flying experience in a Puma with the air rescue team. That's something that'll stay with me forever. It was absolutely amazing.
I recently deployed onto HMS Queen Elizabeth, the Royal Navy's aircraft carrier, for 8 months during their first operational maiden tour. And that was a fantastic experience, something that I never thought I'd be able to go and do, and I've now done it, and it's one of the best things I've ever done, thanks to the reserves.
Whatever your commitment at home or at work, the RAF Reserves gives you the flexibility you want.
The level of training you get exposed to, your levels of fitness will improve, many doors will open, many opportunities will arise. You've got absolutely nothing to lose, but absolutely loads to gain, and you will not regret joining.
Being a reservist opens the doors to lots of opportunities for adventure, both in the UK and overseas, to enjoy a host of new experiences, and to have the chance to meet new people who could turn out to be lifelong friends.
I've met some amazing people over the last 6 years, and you might not see them for a year or 18 months, but then you see them again and you chat about what you've been doing and your experiences, and it often makes me hungry to go and do something that they've been doing, and they probably feel the same about what I've been doing.
Professionally, it's given me the confidence to push myself. Personally, I've met some amazing people with some amazing backgrounds and met some lifelong friends.
Joining the RAF as a reservist allows you to learn new skills that you can then use out in the civilian world. And you get paid to do it.
It's the appeal and the sense of camaraderie and friendship that you forge within the reserves that I find invaluable. The qualifications, the experience, the sense of adventure that you get is absolutely phenomenal.
The most important thing is to come with an open mind. Come ready to learn, ready to be moulded into the person that the RAF need you to be. And for as long as you can do that, you'll be very effective.
So find out what you want to do, what interests you, what's going to capture your imagination and get you invested, and start online and work forward from there. Get in touch with the recruiters from the website, and then you'll be in before you know it.
Be part of something more. Be part of the Royal Air Force Reserves. Become an RAF reservist today.